right. I was going to talk to you about the homework a little bit before I accidentally cut off the last video. So here's the homework for tonight. And these first four problems are exactly like the ones that I just finished explaining how to do. Exactly like them. Okay. Notice it says chain all of the given conditional statements together to create a single new simple conditional statement. So not two out of the three, okay, but all three of them in the cases of numbers 3 and 4. Now in 5 and 6, I want you to do the same thing, okay, but I have 5 statements to be combined down to a single one, and I want the final answer in English, okay? I'm giving you conditional statements in English. I want the answer in English. But I strongly recommend that in order to do the logical work of combining the 5 statements down to 4 and then to 3 and the 2 and then to 1, that you choose some logical variables for all of these statements, write all of these English statements in logical form with symbols, and do the work with the symbols and get a symbol answer, because I think doing the work with the symbols will be a lot easier than doing the work with the English. That's my strong recommendation. Strong. Okay? Convert all of these English sentences into symbols. Choose your own variables, but make careful choices. And then combine all of the logical conditional statements down to one, and you'll have an answer with symbols. And then retranslate your symbolic answer back to English. Okay? I'm emphasizing this because, again, on quizzes and tests in years past, I will put these problems on the homework, give exactly this kind of problem on the quiz, and students will write out an answer for me to number 5 that reads something like W implies X. And I can't really tell what the W stands for or the X. Now, maybe you might think, looking at number 5 quickly, that, oh, well, I think I know what the W would stand for. And maybe you'd be right. But the X, don't do that. Okay? Come up with a symbolic answer, translate back into English. Okay? For numbers 5 and 6. And then number 7, I have written that there's something peculiar about this next one. Again, I want you to come up with an answer in English. And when you come up with an answer, you might wonder if you really came up with an answer. You might wonder if it's a good answer. You might be scratching your head quite a bit over this one. That's by design, okay? There's something a little bit funny about this problem here, which I will either talk about in the next video or I will talk about in the next Zoom class, okay? We'll see you.